Emptying sacks the old-fashioned way is difficult, dirty, and very labor-intensive, as well as a major cause of serious injuries. Now, there's LaborSave, the patented fully automatic sack emptying solution. The fully automatic system starts when a pallet is fed into LaborSave. Gripping and lifting the sacks from the pallet is completely mechanical. The motorized blades slit the sacks open from the bottom cleanly and efficiently, without contaminating the contents. The sack contents fall through a hopper into a conveying system, and from there to storage containers or silos. During emptying, the sacks are shaken mechanically, emptying more than 99.99% of the sack contents, reducing waste and leading to significant savings in raw material costs. The empty sacks are then discharged and compressed into a collection unit or an automatic compactor. The menu-driven, user-friendly interface makes LaborSave easy to use. LaborSave unloads and empties 1,300 sacks per hour without human intervention and handles raw materials with the greatest efficiency possible. LaborSave handles a wide range of raw materials and sack types, regardless of number, orientation, or position on the pallet. LaborSave is designed with safety in mind and conforms to international safety standards. LaborSave can be equipped with an optional full pallet feeding conveyor, an evacuation conveyor for clearing empty pallets, and an automatic stacker for stacking empty pallets. The inventors of LaborSave, AL Robotics and Engineering Limited, provide engineering solutions that combine state-of-the-art design with cutting-edge technologies. Established in 1995 and led by a highly experienced team, the company has developed numerous tailor-made automation solutions for customers across the globe. The company's ongoing quest to provide sophisticated automated systems led it to introduce LaborSave in 2004. With hundreds of installations around the world, the innovative LaborSave has proven itself to be the most efficient and cost-effective sack emptying solution available anywhere. LaborSave's greater throughput, increased efficiency of raw materials handling, reduced labor, enhanced safety, reduced contamination risk, and enhanced flexibility saves you money. Start saving now. Call to find out just how much you can save with LaborSave.